Ever feel like you're being subtly pushed, pulled, or influenced without even realizing it? In our daily lives, from casual conversations to major decisions, invisible forces are constantly at play. These aren't grand conspiracies, but rather quiet, psychological tactics. They're used by friends, family, colleagues, and even strangers to get what they want. You might be experiencing them right now, or perhaps unknowingly using them yourself. Today, we're diving deep into the shadows of human interaction. We'll uncover 3 hidden manipulation tactics that are far more common than you think. Understanding them isn't about becoming a manipulator, but about building an impenetrable shield. A shield against those who seek to control, and a tool for deeper self-awareness. By the end of this video, you'll see everyday conversations in a completely new light. You'll learn to spot the subtle cues, decode the hidden agendas, and protect your mental space. Are you ready to uncover the silent battles being fought for your mind every single day? Let's begin. First up, guilt tripping. This isn't just about making someone feel bad. It's a subtle art of emotional blackmail, where your natural empathy is weaponized against you. Imagine a friend saying, "I spent all day helping you, and now you can't even spare 5 minutes for me." Or a family member sighing dramatically, "After everything I've done for you, I thought you'd understand." The goal is to make you feel responsible for their emotional state or indebted to them. They paint themselves as the victim, highlighting their sacrifices until you feel compelled to comply. You're not making a choice. You're reacting to an emotional burden they've placed on you. The key to disarming a guilt trip is recognizing it. It's not about being heartless. It's about understanding that your boundaries are valid and you're not obligated to sacrifice your well-being. A simple, "I understand you feel that way, but I'm not comfortable with that right now," can be incredibly powerful. You acknowledge their feelings without taking ownership of them. Remember, genuine requests don't come wrapped in emotional chains. Next, we confront gaslighting. This is perhaps the most insidious tactic. It's designed to make you question your own sanity, memory, and perception of reality. Someone might say, "That never happened. You're imagining things," or "You're too sensitive. I never said that." They deny events, twist words, and dismiss your feelings, slowly eroding your self-trust. Over time, you start to doubt yourself, constantly replaying conversations, wondering if you're truly losing your mind. This creates a profound sense of confusion and vulnerability, making you easier to control. The manipulator gains power by becoming your sole source of truth. The antidote to gaslighting is to trust your gut. Your feelings are valid. Keep a mental or physical record of events if something feels off. Seek external validation from trusted friends or family who can offer an objective perspective. Remember, a healthy relationship doesn't make you question your reality. It validates your experiences and encourages clear communication. Finally, let's expose scarcity and fake urgency. This tactic preys on our fear of missing out. You'll hear phrases like, "This offer is only for today," or "If you don't decide now, you'll lose your chance forever." It's not just sales. It's a friend pressuring you to commit to plans saying, "Everyone else is going. You'll be left out." Or a colleague pushing for a quick decision, implying dire consequences if you delay. The manipulator creates an artificial deadline, forcing you to make a decision without proper thought. They want to bypass your rational mind and trigger an emotional, impulsive response. The perceived limited availability, whether of time, opportunity, or resources, makes the offer seem more valuable. To counter this, always question the deadline. Is it truly urgent, or is it manufactured pressure? Give yourself permission to pause. If I must decide now, my answer is no. A genuine opportunity will still be there after you've had time to think. Don't let the fear of missing out push you into decisions you'll regret. Your peace of mind is more valuable than any fleeting opportunity. So, how do we build our protection toolkit against these subtle manipulations? First, cultivate awareness. Simply knowing these tactics exist is half the battle. Second, practice emotional detachment. Don't immediately react to emotional pressure. Take a breath. Create space between the stimulus and your response. Third, set clear boundaries. Know your limits and communicate them firmly but calmly. No is a complete sentence. You don't owe anyone an elaborate explanation. Fourth, trust your intuition. If something feels off, it probably is. Your gut instinct is a powerful alarm system. Listen to it. Finally, seek external perspective. Talk to trusted individuals. They can help you see situations clearly when your own perception is clouded. By mastering these tools, you transform from a potential target into an empowered individual. You navigate the complexities of human psychology with confidence and clarity.